Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay October 22, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 22, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 22, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, October 22, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 22, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.